Hello everybody, this is going to be a guide on how to set up user account codes or user authentication on a Konica Minolta. So first start by grabbing the IP address of the copier. If you don't know how to do that, a guide will be linked below. Type it into our address bar. It's going to bring you up to a page that looks like this. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as an administrator. Password is going to be either 1 through 8 or 1 through 8 twice in a row. Ours is going to be the second option, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit login. And click user authentication / account track. Then click authentication method. Here is the authentication method. If you just want to use a PIN, that's the simplest option. So for this, we're going to use account track. Turn this on, and we're going to just say password only. Okay. Now, if you just want to track, you don't have to worry about this, but let's say you want to give people 500 copies, something like that. You can set to skip job or delete job when they hit that limit. We're just setting up tracking today, so we're just going to click OK. And then we're going to go here to account track settings, then account track registration, and here's where you create the PINs. So some people do this by department. You can create a code for each department that way. You can also just create a code for color copying. That's what I'm going to do in this example. So type your PIN, and we're going to set this to color code. This lets you pick what functions the code can do. So if you wanted to have each person have their own code, you could restrict certain functions based on the code. We're going to leave this all set as normal. Here's where you can set the maximum amount that they can use for color and black and white printing, as well as total allowance. If you don't want to restrict it, you can just leave it as is. Now click OK and then return. Now select this back arrow. Then click Print without authentication. So if you want to allow people to print and copy without a code in black and white, you can select black only, so now people can print and copy in black and white without a code. If they try to print in color, they will be prompted for the code. All right, and that's the basics. Thanks for watching.